In the order processing section, backorder release, one of the backorder release programs is by order, OE5400. If we query here upon order 2141, this is an order that has 3 lines on it. 1, 2, 3. The very first product is a 5-pound long-handled axe. The quantity ordered was 2. The quantity in the ship column here refers to the quantity of the order that has been allocated, and the backorder quantity on this particular product is 1. We'll notice here that the status of the order is stock allocated because there is at least one line on this order where stock has been allocated, and that is this line right here for the 5-pound axe. On the right side of the screen here, we'll see the stock quantities from the stock master table. We have a quantity now of 1 that's available for releasing, and after we allocate some of this stock, we'll notice that the quantity available after will populate to a 0. So we'll put a 1 for the quantity released against this backorder quantity of 1. Our quantity available after becomes a 0. At the delivery date field, at this point, we can now change the delivery date of this particular detail line. The customer may have originally had a delivery date of the 19th of April, but with the backorder situation, this may have to have been extended into the future. So we'll populate that by the 30th of April. Now we can save this. Now line number 1 on order 2141 has been released. If we go on to the next record for this order, that's line number 2. We have stock available. We can make a decision at this point whether or not we want to release this line, or perhaps we'll need this line for another order. We can take a look now at our next record, record number 3, order number 3. The order quantity was 4, the back order quantity was 4. We have 10 available to allocate to stock, so we can come down here if we wish, and in this case we may want to release just 3 of these items. We can leave the delivery date the way it is if we feel that we can ship out this particular detail line on that date, and we can save the order. And now our quantity of before and after changes to a 7 to reflect the 3 that we took out of the stock. Now we can go back into the regular order processing and do a packing slip for this order and continue on shipping and invoicing this order. If this had been a lot control product, we would have been asked for the lot number at this point, which we could have entered if we wanted to assign a lot at this point, or we could have waited until the shipping confirmation and assigned the lot at that time. We'll just clear the screen and quickly pop into the order entry program OE2100 to take a look at this order. And now we can see that line number 1 has an order quantity of 2, ship quantity of 2, 0 on back order. We didn't do any releasing on line number 2, so we still have a quantity of 3 on back order. And on line number 4, we issued 3 units of stock. We have 1 on back order, and the order is now at stock allocated status and can be shipped after doing a packing slip. This concludes the tutorial on the backorder release by order.